गुड मॉर्निंग स्टुडंट्स. स्टँडर्ड 8 मधनं स्टँडर्ड 9th मध्ये नव्याने प्रवेश केलेल्या त्या सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांचं मी अभिनंदन करतो. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आजपर्यंत तुमच्या जीवनातली ही पहिलीच घटना असेल की तुम्ही कुठलीही परीक्षा न देता समोरच्या वर्गामध्ये प्रवेश केलेला आहे. असो, काही का असेना तुम्ही इयत्ता 9वी मध्ये प्रवेश घेतलेला आहात, त्याबद्दल तुमचं हार्दिक हार्दिक अभिनंदन. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण प्रायमरी एज्युकेशन 2 टप्प्यामध्ये पूर्ण केलेले आहात. 1 ते 5 आणि उच्च प्राथमिक, ज्याला अप्पर प्रायमरी म्हणतो आपण, अर्थातच स्टँडर्ड 6 to 8 हे तुम्ही सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीट केलेलं आहे. आता भविष्याच्या दृष्टिकोनातनं, तुम्ही करिअरच्या दृष्टिकोनातनं आपण वाटचाल करतायत, म्हणजे 9 to 10th असा हा हायस्कूल कम महाविद्यालयीन जीवनाचा पाया यामध्ये तुम्हाला रचल्या जाणार आहे. तेव्हा नवी आव्हाने सुद्धा तुम्हाला स्वीकारायची आहेत. स्टँडर्ड 9th, स्टँडर्ड 10th, 11th अँड 12th असा हा 4 वर्षाचा महत्वपूर्ण टप्पा तुमच्या जीवनातला तुम्ही गाठणार आहात. मला आशा आहे की तुम्ही येथे सुद्धा सर्वजण यशस्वी व्हाल. तेव्हा 9व्या वर्गासाठी आपल्या विषयाच्या दृष्टिकोनातनं मी काही माहिती ऑनलाईनरित्या तुमच्यासाठी घेऊन येणार आहे. शाळा सुरू झाली तर चांगलीच गोष्ट आहे. तुमचं हार्दिक स्वागत आहे शाळा सुरू झाल्यास. किंवा अनन्य काही कोरोनाग्रस्त परिस्थितीत अडचणी आल्यास आपण त्याला सामोरे जाऊया आणि सदैव आम्ही तुमच्या सोबत असणार आहोत. अशा परिस्थितीमध्ये विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, खचून जाऊ नका, धीर सोडू नका. जी काही पण परिस्थिती आहे त्याला आपल्याला सामोरे जायचं आहे. एक यशस्वी विद्यार्थी बनायचं आहे, या देशाचा यशस्वी नागरिक बनायचं आहे आणि मोठ्या स्तरावर देशाचं तुम्हाला प्रतिनिधित्व करायचं आहे. सो डिअर स्टुडंट, you have to take studies seriously because this is the crucial time in your life, and the syllabus of standard 8 and standard 9 is quite different. You are having new challenges here. Also, you are having a vast syllabus in the high school level, so you will have a difficulty in the beginning, but as you get habitual to the syllabus as well as the teachers, so that you will have in a new mode, so you have to take care of it and you have to proceed further in this way. So we will have a overlook or introduction at the syllabus of standard 9th mathematics 1. We will see the syllabus pattern of this math 1 for the standard 9. Very first, we are having the exam of 40 marks for math 1 and 40 marks for maths 2 also. Total having 80 marks plus 10 marks internal evaluation for math 1 and also for maths 2. 10 marks for internal evaluation. Total 20 marks means 80 plus 20, that is equal to total 100 mark. Your final result after getting average of first term and second term, there will have been 100 mark for mathematics. And I have already told you that the standard up to standard 8th mathematics and standard 9th mathematics, there is a vast difference. But all the basic you have learned up to standard 8, it will have been used in the standard 9th. Very first, I want to tell you that the syllabus of the 9th standard and all the standard has been reduced by the state government education department, because we have lost more than 1 month, means we have lost this important session, first session's crucial time, so that the syllabus is contracted. In this condition, as far as syllabus is reduced, we have to take overlook at these chapters given in this here. You have to very first go for the chapter set. It is a new word for you, or in the mathematics, this is new for you, but very simple. The collection of an objects around you, that is the set, and I know that you will understand very easily what the set means. And next chapter is real numbers. You are well known to it, numbers. There are various types of numbers. In the schooling, you have seen their even number, odd number, integers, positive integers, negative integers. All these are, again you will see here rational number, irrational number, natural number. All these you will see in this real number. Again, this word polynomial is well known to you. In the Marathi, it is called as Bahupadi. These polynomials, you are familiar with this word polynomials, and you know monomial, binomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial, and the polynomials. We have to solve the basic operation regarding the polynomials, that is addition, subtraction, synthetic division method, multiplication of polynomials, division of polynomials, and more than that in this chapter. Also having word problems. Again, ratio and proportion. Last year, student, you have seen here, what does the proportion means? Directly proportional to, inversely proportional to. You have seen there variations in the 8th standard. That is the basic you have to use, and further new topic is for a ratio. How to take a ratio. Again you will see here basic properties like componendo, dividendo, invertendo. Again some word problems in this ratio and proportion. Up to last standard, you are familiar with this word linear equations. Now here it is two variables. You have already discussed about linear equation in one variable. That is x equal to 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. Means this is the equation in one variable. Now you have to try for ax plus by equal to c in this form. That is 3x plus 5y equal to 9. In this type of equation, are called as the linear equation in two variables. So we have to solve these linear equations graphically. You have to solve this linear equations simultaneously also, and some word problems comparison also. the important aspect to add this financial planning in the syllabus by our education department is that the student, after getting education, he is able to do his financial work, his economical work at his own basis. Means he is able to do banking transaction, he is able to do shopping transaction at his own foot. He should know what is the tax, he should know what is the benefit of loss and profit. All this included in this financial planning, so that the interesting syllabus, it make this financial planning, this syllabus or this pattern interesting. Also data, you know that there is a raw data, there is also mean, mode, median. All you have to study in this syllabus. Statistics, you know the bar diagram, you know the frequency, students from the last year. Now you have to go for mean, mode, median. It next version, you know the signs, summation, frequency, summation of the frequency last year. All these are included in this statistic, and very interesting syllabus for your study is